Manufacturing is no longer for massive factories only. With the right machines, you can turn simple materials into profitable products across countless industries. In this video, we'll explore 30 smart machines, covering costs, processes, profit potential, and target markets. Each one is a proven opportunity you can start building today. Number 1. Headband Knitting Machine. Sports, fashion, and wellness brands need stylish headbands year-round. This knitting machine produces elastic bands in custom sizes, colors, and even logos. Process: knit, cut, seal edges, package. Machine cost $1,500 $4,000. Per unit cost under $0.30. Retail for $6. Buyers include gyms, salons, and online shops. Expand with seasonal collections or limited designs for events. Compact, efficient, and versatile, it's ideal for bulk orders. Consistent demand keeps production steady, ensuring reliable income for both small workshops and growing e-commerce sellers. Number 2. Rebar Mesh Welding Machine. Construction projects require reinforced concrete, but manual rebar tying is slow and labor-intensive. This automated welding machine feeds rods, aligns them, and welds intersections into ready-to-lay mesh sheets. Price $10,000 $25,000. Profits come from supplying builders and contractors. Customers include infrastructure projects, hardware suppliers, and large construction firms. Offer custom sizes or urgent delivery to secure repeat business. With urban development booming worldwide, demand for quick, quality reinforcement solutions is consistent, making this machine a profitable long-term investment for any construction supply business. Number 3. Rubber Toy Molding Machine. From squeaky chickens to pet-stressed toys, novelty items have global appeal. This molding machine shapes soft plastic into various designs, optionally adding squeakers. Cost: $3,000 $7,000. Production under $0.20, retail $3 to $7. Markets: pet stores, novelty shops, e-commerce. Create themed toys for holidays to boost seasonal sales. Custom molds expand product lines for different audiences. Low material cost and high retail value mean excellent margins. Durability and playful designs keep orders flowing year-round from both retail customers and bulk wholesale buyers. Number 4. Compressed Dry Towel Machine. Travel and outdoor markets love space-saving products. This machine compresses towels into coin-sized tablets that expand with water. Process: load blanks, compress, package. Setup: $16,000. Per unit cost is a few cents. Sold in packs, they fetch high markups. Markets: camping stores, travel retailers, promotional item companies. Offer branded packaging for corporate giveaways. Lightweight, long-lasting, and easy to ship, they appeal to retail and bulk buyers alike. With growing hygiene awareness, demand remains steady across various consumer segments worldwide. Number 5. Artificial Flower Injection Molding Machine. Decor, events, and visual merchandising need realistic artificial flowers. This injection molding machine forms petals, stems, and leaves from plastic, assembling them into bouquets. Cost: $8,000 $20,000. Low production costs, high margin retail pricing in sets or collections. Clients: florists, event planners, decor suppliers. Seasonal collections increase appeal and sales. Durable and lifelike finishes ensure strong demand. With customizable molds, you can offer unique designs that competitors can't match, carving out a niche in both wholesale and high-end decor markets. Number 6. CNC Metal Spinning Lathe Machine. Lighting, automotive, and decor industries rely on custom metal shapes. This CNC lathe spins aluminum sheets into domes, bowls, and lampshades without welding. Cost: $12,000 $25,000. Aluminum blanks are affordable, while finished products sell at high margins. Clients include lighting manufacturers and interior designers. Add powder coating for premium finishes. Offer custom designs to attract niche markets. High precision and versatility make it ideal for both small batch specialty work and continuous large-scale production for established industrial clients. Number 7. Corrugated Hose Extrusion Machine. Vacuum cleaners, dust systems, and cable guides use corrugated hoses. This machine extrudes, corrugates, cools, and winds plastic tubing. Cost: $18,000 $40,000. Buyers: appliance manufacturers, industrial suppliers. Flexible, lightweight hoses sell in bulk to OEMs and maintenance companies, offer custom diameters or colors to target specialized industries. With reliable demand across multiple sectors, securing contracts ensures steady cash flow. The machine's continuous operation capability allows for high volume output, meeting large orders quickly and efficiently for industrial-scale clients. Number 8. Edible rice straw and utensil machine. Eco-conscious markets are growing fast. This machine shapes rice or corn flour into edible straws, stirs, and utensils. Process: mix, extrude, dry, heat treat. Cost: $25,000, $45,000. Customers: cafes, restaurants, and eco-packaging suppliers. Being early in this niche gives strong branding opportunities. Seasonal colors or flavors increase product appeal. Partnering with sustainable brands can secure large contracts. With single-use plastics facing bans, demand for edible alternatives will continue to rise, making this an eco-friendly and profitable business choice. Number 9. Metal embossing roller machine. Textured metal adds safety and style. This machine rolls sheet metal to create slip-resistant patterns. Cost: $15,000, $35,000. Raw sheet: $12. Embossed sells for 3 to 4 odds more. Buyers: construction, automotive, and interior design industries. Offer custom patterns for niche applications. Durable output and fast processing attract repeat clients. With low production waste and versatile market applications, this machine can serve both functional and decorative needs, expanding your reach into multiple industries for consistent revenue streams. Number 10. Multi-material cutting machine. Adaptability wins clients. This cutter works with leather, rubber, foam, and more. Ideal for testing products without changing machines. Example: custom car floor mats. Cost: $20,000, $40,000. Buyers: automotive, upholstery, and promotional goods sectors. Quick tooling changes allow trend-based production. Offering design and prototyping alongside manufacturing boosts revenue. Multi-material capability positions your business as a flexible supplier able to respond quickly to client needs, opening doors to multiple industries with varied product demands. Number 11. Cable sheathing extrusion machine. Cables need protective sheaths. This machine coats copper conductors with flame-retardant PVC. Process: feed conductor, extrude sheath, cool, cut. Cost: $30,000, $60,000. Markets: electrical suppliers, industrial wiring. Control over specifications appeals to specialized industries. Offer custom colors or markings for branding. With consistent demand in construction, manufacturing, and utilities, this machine ensures long-term orders. High-quality sheathing improves product reliability, earning trust and repeat business from large-scale electrical contractors and distributors. Number 12. Decorative clay extrusion machine. Go beyond basic bricks. This clay extrusion machine creates roofing tiles, panels, and decorative borders. Process: extrude clay under pressure through custom molds, then fire. Cost: $15,000, $35,000. Markets: construction, landscaping, architectural decor. Custom shapes attract niche projects. Seasonal or regional designs boost value. Durable clay products remain in steady demand, and offering specialized designs allows you to serve both standard construction and high-end decorative markets effectively, maximizing profitability and market presence. Number 13. Foil sheet cutting and embossing machine. Baking and packaging industries use pre-cut foil sheets. This machine unrolls, cuts, stacks, and optionally embosses foil. Cost: $10,000, $25,000. Raw foil is cheap. Processed sheets sell at higher margins. Buyers: bakeries, food packaging companies. Embossing adds strength and premium appeal. Compact size fits small workshops. Offering branding or custom sizes can help secure recurring orders from wholesale distributors, restaurants, and retail chains, ensuring a stable and profitable client base. Number 14. Tire shredding machine. Recycling waste tires into rubber crumb is profitable and eco-friendly. This machine shreds tires into uniform pieces. Cost: $40,000, $80,000. Markets: gym flooring, playground surfaces, industrial products. Offer processed material to manufacturers or make finished goods like tiles. With tire disposal being a global challenge, recycling businesses see steady demand. Government incentives for sustainable operations can further boost profitability and market credibility, making this a high-potential green business opportunity. Number 15. Paper bag making machine. Retail and food delivery need sturdy paper bags. This automated line cuts, folds, glues, and forms bags from craft paper. Cost: $15,000, $35,000. Add printing for branding services. Buyers, restaurants, retail stores, e-commerce brands. Branded packaging secures long-term contracts. With growing restrictions on plastic, demand for paper bags continues to rise, offering excellent growth potential. Offering design services alongside production adds extra value for clients, increasing retention and repeat orders. Number 16. Adhesive tape coating line. Adhesive tape is essential in packaging, construction, and offices. This production line coats PVC film with adhesive, then dries and rolls it into jumbo spools. Cost: $25,000, $50,000. Raw material is affordable. Finished rolls have strong margins. Buyers: packaging suppliers, hardware stores, and industrial distributors. Offering custom widths or printed branding adds value. Consistent demand across industries ensures stability, and the ability to supply both bulk raw rolls and finished tapes opens multiple revenue streams. Number 17. Rubber band production machine. Rubber bands are simple yet used everywhere, from offices to agriculture. This machine forms latex or TPE into long elastic strings, cools them, then cuts to size. Cost: $8,000, $20,000. 1 ton of material yields over 1 million bands. Buyers: wholesalers, stationary distributors, farming suppliers. Offering colored or custom-sized bands attracts niche buyers. Low production cost and high consumption rates make this a dependable small-scale manufacturing choice with wide market reach. Number 18. Extrusion blow molding machine. For dense, durable containers like canisters and barrels, this machine is essential. Process: melt plastic, form tube, blow into mold. Cost: $20,000, $45,000. Buyers: chemical companies, agriculture suppliers, industrial goods brands. Custom molds for unique shapes can set you apart. With high demand for sturdy storage solutions, especially in industrial packaging, long-term contracts are achievable. Serving multiple sectors reduces market risk, keeping production consistent and profitable. Number 19. Bath poof mesh extrusion machine. Bath sponges need special elastic mesh. This machine extrudes polyethylene or nylon into soft, grippy webbing. Cost: $10,000, $25,000. Sell mesh rolls to sponge assemblers or make finished poofs yourself. Buyers: bath product manufacturers, wholesalers, and retail brands. Offering unique colors or textures helps capture premium segments. With personal care markets thriving globally, consistent demand keeps production busy year-round, and supplying raw mesh diversifies your income streams. Number 20. Rug cleaning machine. Rugs are hard to clean manually, creating a service opportunity. This automated machine wets, scrubs, rinses, and wrings rugs in one pass. Cost: $15,000, $30,000. Buyers: cleaning service companies, laundries. Add a delivery service to increase ticket size. Residential and commercial clients ensure steady demand. Offering subscription cleaning packages boosts recurring revenue. Easy operation and high throughput make it ideal for service-based entrepreneurs. Number 21. Mattress border sewing machine. Mattresses require neat, secure edges. This machine stitches the border between the cover and core. Cost: $5,000, $15,000. Buyers: mattress makers, upholstery workshops. Offer repair or customization services for smaller players. Reliable edge finishing improves durability and appearance, attracting premium customers. Partnering with component suppliers can lead to bundled services, increasing order volume and industry connections. Number 22. Polypropylene sack weaving machine. Polypropylene sacks are used for grains, produce, and construction materials. This machine weaves them from thread spools. Cost: $12,000, $25,000. One spool yields hundreds of sacks. Buyers, farmers, wholesalers, packaging suppliers. Adding handles, drawstrings, or printed logos boosts margins. Steady agricultural demand ensures year-round work. Custom sizing for niche markets like seafood or specialty crops can set you apart. Number 23. Ziploc Bag Making Machine. Reusable Ziploc bags offer premium storage. This machine shapes, seals zippers, and welds seams from polypropylene rolls. Cost: $13,000, $25,000. Buyers: apparel brands, e-commerce sellers, household goods suppliers. Thicker, higher quality bags improve reusability and branding value. Offer logo printing to attract retail brands. With online shopping growth, protective packaging needs are expanding, ensuring strong sales potential. Number 24. Supplement Capsule Filling Machine. Health supplements are booming. This machine fills capsules with powders like lion's mane or herbal blends. Cost: $18,000, $35,000. Buyers: supplement brands, wellness stores. Bulk powder costs are low. Retail margins are high. Offering private label manufacturing helps secure long-term contracts. With proper certification, you can enter domestic and export markets, tapping into global wellness trends for steady growth. Number 25. Clamp-fastened wire mesh machine. For durable fencing, this machine clamps and twists wire intersections without welding. Cost: $15,000, $30,000. Buyers: farmers, construction suppliers, security companies. Faster and stronger than manual methods, it's ideal for large-scale fencing projects. Offering installation services alongside manufacturing boosts profits. With agricultural and industrial clients, year-round demand is achievable. Number 26. Rope Twisting Machine. From farming to shipping, rope is indispensable. This machine twists pre-stretched polypropylene threads into ropes of various diameters. Cost: $10,000, $20,000. Buyers: agriculture suppliers, marine equipment distributors. Offer multicolor or custom length options for niche buyers. Rope's durability and universal demand keep orders steady, especially when supplying both wholesale and specialized markets. Number 27. CNC Waterjet Cutting Machine. Cutting metal, stone, or glass without heat distortion is in demand. This CNC waterjet machine produces clean, precise cuts. Cost: $40,000, $90,000. Buyers: fabrication shops, custom design firms. Offer both industrial and artistic cutting services. With capabilities across multiple materials, you can serve diverse industries and secure varied contracts, reducing dependency on one sector. Number 28. Stainless Steel Pipe Production Line. This line forms, welds, and polishes stainless steel pipes from sheet coils. Cost: $60,000, $120,000. Buyers: construction, plumbing, and industrial suppliers. Offering precision sizes and finishes sets you apart. High demand in infrastructure projects ensures consistent orders. Partnering with distributors expands reach, making it a scalable business with long-term stability. Number 29. CNC Wood Router. Custom furniture needs unique parts. This CNC router mills MDF or plywood into detailed decorative elements. Cost: $15,000, $35,000. Buyers: furniture makers, interior designers. Offering custom designs and prototyping services attracts premium clients. High precision and repeatability ensure consistent quality, supporting strong client relationships and repeat orders. Number 30. Courier Bag Making Machine. E-commerce relies on durable courier bags. This automated line makes multi-layer film mailers with adhesive flaps. Cost: $20,000, $40,000. Buyers: logistics firms, online retailers. Offer custom sizes and printing to lock in long-term clients. With e-commerce growth, demand is strong and recurring, providing predictable revenue for packaging manufacturers ready to serve this expanding sector. From compact tabletop tools to full-scale industrial lines, each machine here offers real income potential. Choose one that fits your resources, learn the process, and serve a proven market. With focus, consistency, and smart scaling, your investment can grow into a sustainable business that keeps delivering returns for years.